We will guide you through how to edit drone photos in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to launch the application. Once Lightroom opens, import the drone photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, select it from the Library module and click the Develop module to access the editing workspace. Once the Develop module opens, locate the Basic panel on the right side of the screen. Start by adjusting the exposure to achieve a balanced brightness while preserving important details across the landscape. Next, increase the contrast to create stronger separation between light and dark areas, giving the aerial photo greater depth and visual impact. Continue by reducing the highlights to recover details in bright skies, reflective surfaces, or sunlit areas without losing texture. After that, increase the shadows to reveal more detail in darker regions, such as forests, buildings, or terrain, while maintaining a balanced exposure. Then, increase the texture to enhance fine details in roads, fields, mountains, water, and other landscape features captured from above. Continue by increasing the clarity to improve the mid-tone contrast and make the overall image appear sharper and more defined. Next, increase the dehaze slightly to reduce atmospheric haze and improve the visibility of distant landscape features without making the image look unnatural. Review the edited photo carefully and compare it with the original image if necessary. Zoom in to inspect important details, such as buildings, roads, trees, and horizon lines, ensuring they remain sharp and free from unwanted editing artifacts.